But first tonight, new information in a high-profile murder trial of Brian Golsby. Thanks for joining us at 5. I'm Colleen Marshall.
And I'm Mike Jackson. The judge said today that he believes Golsby can get a fair trial in Franklin County. He overruled the motion for a change of venue. NBC4's Ted Hart is live at the courthouse tonight with details on today's pretrial hearing. Ted?
Well, and Mike, it's not all that unusual for defense attorneys in high-profile cases to ask for a change of venue, but it rarely happens. Now, the murder of Reagan Tokes and the arrest of Brian Golsby has received an extraordinary amount of news coverage and social media attention as well, so it was one of the issues that the judge had to consider today. The jury won't see that Brian Golsby's ankles are shackled when he stands trial in February. The judge also ruled Golsby can wear civilian clothes rather than jailhouse coveralls and won't have to have handcuffs in the courtroom. But the judge declined a defense motion to move the trial to another county.
But you have to be the guardian of the Constitution and say whether enough is enough.
Defense attorney Court Gatterdam argued that the pretrial news coverage has created an insurmountable prejudice.
To this defendant, whose due process, whose Sixth Amendment rights, and 14th Amendment rights are being trampled on now. And I know that's not a popular view. Nobody cares about Mr. Golsby's rights. But at the end of the day...
Well, I care. I can tell you that. I do care.
Golsby is charged with the kidnapping, rape, and murder of Ohio State University student Reagan Tokes. Judge Mark Surratt acknowledged some concern about the volume of media coverage and says he'll keep an open mind, but believes that it's still possible to seat an impartial jury in Franklin County.
This is somewhat of a unique case. It has received a lot of publicity, so I am concerned about that. And believe me, if we get a lot of people who we hear that they've heard things and it's tainted their view, then I'll move the case.
And Brian Golsby's trial is scheduled to start in February, and it will likely take a couple of weeks. Live at the Franklin County Courthouse, Ted Hart, NBC4.
Thank you, Ted.